How to give your cat a bath in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Fill the bathtub with warm water. That is too much water. Oops! Step 1. Put a little warm water in the bath. This much? Step 1. Put a little warm water in the bath. The water should come up to your cat's knees. Knees? Step 2. Put your cat in the... Wait, where's the cat? Mr. Flea! Mr. Flea, where are you? Don't you want to be clean? Have you found Mr. Flea yet? I can't find him anywhere. Maybe we should start again. Step 1. Step 1. Have some milk and cookies. You will need some energy. Fine. Step 1. Have some milk and cookies. Step 2. Find your cat. Step 3. Put your cat in the... Hold on, is the water still warm? I think it's cold. Step 4. Hold your cat in one arm and turn on the tap with your other... Mr. Flea, wait! Step 5. Chase your cat down the stairs. Step 6. Run back to the bathroom. I thought you said there were only 5 steps. Step 6. Run! Step 7. Turn off the water. Oh no. Step 8. Mop the floor. Step 9. Step 9. Have another cookie. Step 10. Find your cat. Again. Oh! How to give your cat a bath in 1 easy step. Step 1. Sit quietly while your cat licks himself clean.